If you want to make a lot of money in the markets, one of the highest leverage things you can do is picking the right assets. And this is where a lot of people go wrong. A lot of you guys picking some meme coin because it's cheap, or buying some stock that's really beaten down, thinking one day it could return to glory. Well, I'll tell you, from studying all the great stock traders and many of the great investors, the opposite is true of what you think, and it's selecting from assets that are at their highs and are only going up. The breakout strategy. When you only buy breakouts, what happens is you end up limiting your world of assets. But I like to bring in fundamentals as well. The US stock market index is strong because of passive inflows from investment retirement accounts every single week. Bitcoin is strong because it has a hard to change monetary policy and it's less inflationary than the US dollar. Similar thing with gold. The law of nature makes it hard to produce more gold. But I'm going to give you an example of looking at a new asset and trying to evaluate the fundamentals. So in my world, I look at different assets, and one that's been really standing out to me over the last year is the crypto coin TRX or Tron. This thing seems uncorrelated from the rest of the market, just slowly grinds up, has outperformed Bitcoin, and I'm like, why? What's going on? So I did some research and I found out Tron is the payment rails for USDT stablecoin in the world, especially the developing world. Tron has more USDT on it than every other chain combined. Tron's doing more than double the total volume of Ethereum on a daily basis in terms of value. It's doing like 3 times the transactions as Ethereum. It has multiple times the users as Ethereum. The total value locked is like 1/3 of Ethereum. So it has way more stablecoin transfers than Ethereum. It is doing what Ripple says it could one day do, which is be the king of remittances. It's already doing that, but it's 1/15 of the value of Ethereum. It is 1/3 the value of Solana. It's a fraction of XRP's market cap. But it just keeps going up and up and up. So I'm like, what do y'all think about this one? What do y'all think about it? It's one of the new ones that I'm using my MTP system to trade because, first of all, it's just really strong. And second, when I look at the fundamentals, it seems crazy underpriced. If you want the full analysis or want to know more, we can talk about it. But you can comment MTP down below, where I not just have a system, but we also talk about what the hot new asset is. And Tron's not really new, but it's something to pay attention to. Alright, comment MTP, see you on the other side.